Healthy and BPA-free, our air fryer accessories are made of healthy, safe food-grade material, high-quality 304 stainless steel for long-term use. BPA-free, no worry about any hazardous chemicals, enjoy funny and healthy cooking. The cake pan and pizza pan are non-stick coating. 12 pieces of accessories. These air fryer accessories includes egg bites mold 1, cake pan 1, pizza pan 1, toasting/warming rack 1, skewer rack 1, silicone mat 1, bread rack 1, dish clip 1, food clip 1, skewers 4, oil brush 1, 100 pieces air fryer liners, air fryer cookbook. Everything you need to cook without costing you more time and money to buy each piece individually. 100% compatible. These air fryer accessories set fit all 4, 4.2, 5.3, 5.5, 5.8 quart air fryers, also fit for larger capacity air fryers. Each accessory pairs especially well with all Cozyna, Phillips, Gowise, Ninja, Cosori, Chefman and Power XL air fryer. Easy to clean up, rust-free and safe for a quick, easy and hassle-free cleanup. It is safe and convenient to use dishwasher to clean them as well. Healthy and funny cooking. These air fryer accessories are perfect for making healthy French fries, onion rings, chicken strips, roast vegetables, pizzas, cookies, biscuits, fish, mozzarella sticks, pork, corn dogs, prawns, broccoli and many others with better taste for your families. Top reviews from the United States. Useful for making French onion soup and reheating pizza upside down to be crusty. The pan/bowl grabber tool is terrific for making French onion soup in my air fryer. I add croutons and a slice of cheese on top of my warm soup, air fry for a few minutes and then use the grabber to pull the very hot bowl out of the air fryer. The grabber also works well for the pans and for a grilled cheese sandwich. I also like the parchment paper or the flat pan for reheating pizza upside down so the crust gets crusty. With the parchment paper or the flat pan, the cheese topping side doesn't stick to the air fryer basket.